So on our analysis on EURCAD today, we first of all move to the monthly time frame. Looking at the monthly time frame now, we ask ourselves, what is our view on the monthly time frame? What are we looking out for? So what are we looking out for on the monthly time frame? Looking at the monthly time frame have been moving in a very bullish uptrend. But last month there was a pin. There was a candle formation that we need to look out for. This last month's candle formation that formulated, and reason why we'll be looking at will be the candlestick formation. Previous month, last 2 months, was a bearish candle that formulated. Then this last month that just finished yesterday, which is November, the candlestick that formed here, I don't categorize candlestick based on their names. I only look at what they simplify. Looking at the candlestick, the price went bullish. Then all of a sudden, the bears drove the price very low. They overcome the bullish traders. So this shows us that we might be looking for a sell this coming month. We might be looking for a bearish movement this coming month. So that is what we are expecting. More of a sell this coming month. So let me move to the weekly time frame and see what we have there. Okay, last week was a very bearish candle formulation, showing us that the bears are in control last week. The bulls took control, then all of a sudden the bears take control. So this shows us that we should be looking for bearish setups. So we move to the daily time frame where we mark our zones. On daily time frame, we plot our key major zones here. Remember, on the daily time frame, on the monthly time frame, we first of all look for the trend direction on the monthly and weekly time frame. Then on the daily time frame is where we mark our key levels. Then refine it down to the 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. So on the daily time frame, this is our first key level. Remember, marking this as our first key level doesn't mean that this is the only key level we have. No, we still have other key levels, because in the market you won't say that you control the market. No, you are not the one controlling the market. This could be another key level. So we could mark it up to like 2 to 3 key levels. In case if this one break, we look for setup here. If this one break, we can still look for setup upward, depending on how the market behaves on the higher time frame. So this is our key level here for now. So let's define the key zone on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame now, we are expecting a bearish market move. A bearish market move. So what do? We're expecting a bearish market move. So price is already at our first key level. Then this is our second key level, but price is at our first key level. So we are everything. We look for the recent key levels that is very close to the price of the market. So this is the recent key level. So we take out this one for now. So since this is the recent key level and the price is already there, What do we do? How do we enter? That is another question. Let's refine down to 1 hour more to refine the zone very well. Okay, our zone is already defined. Very good. So what do we do? How do we take our setup? How do we take the trades? What do we do? So this is what we need to do now. We wait for candlestick confirmations during the London and New York sections. During the London and New York sections, we look for candlestick confirmations on the 30 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. 1. Price will be at the key zone. 2. Look for candlestick confirmations. Once we are getting the trend of the market, the next thing we look for is the key zones. Once we are getting the key zones, we look for confirmations. So this is our prediction. So our stop loss could be above the candlestick confirmation or the key zone, the major zone. You can place your stop loss above the major zone or above the candlestick confirmation that formulated. Then our take profit level should be around here. We have our first take profit here. Our second take profit around here. Then our third take profit. Then we can still as well as hold more down. So that is it. So this is our take profits and our stop loss levels. So I believe you have learned something from this. So we'll be sharing trading insights every week on Mondays. Get ready to get some trading insights every Mondays, and other days we drop trading insights, trading setups, trading sections every Mondays and many other days, but Monday specifically. So get ready. So let's make the market. We just waiting for candlestick to confirm our trade so that we can take our setup. Thank you.